Welcome. In front of me I have Realme X2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how easy you can clean your USB-C charging port on this device. So let's take a look right here, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit the camera to get you a better view of it. So let's make it like that. Okay, I think that right now you see what is here inside. Here we got some kind of the dust or something like that. So we have to prepare something like that, the very thin object. You can use any the household items. What do we have to do? We have to put this thing inside from one of the edge like that, and then we have to make gestures like that. Take it off. As you can see, here we got something like that. Let's go for another part because it breaks a little bit. Okay, here it is. And just let me take a look inside one more time if it is something else. Okay, I think there is something else here, so let's try another time. So it will be really good if you prepare a good source of light, like in my case, to see a very dust and a very mess inside. Remember to do it slowly and don't push too hard, because you will be able to break the USB-C port, and it is not going to be good for you, right? Okay, so there's all stuff that we take off from the charging port. Here it is, and right now we will be able to easily input our USB-C port, our USB-C cable, and then simply charge our smartphone. So as you can see, that's how you can clean your USB-C port in the Realme X2 Pro. And to be honest, it will look the same or any other smartphone that you have. So yeah, as you can see, here we got our mess that was inside. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.